Okay, I think that a really good conclusion is that Lake Cumberland, that most people want to go to Lake Cumberland. 8 people want to go to Lake Cumberland. I think that's a deep conclusion.
I would say it's a more surface conclusion because, I mean, I could just look right at the graph and say there's 8 people wanting to go to Lake Cumberland. I could just look at the graph and say that right off the bat.
What do you think, Ben?
Well, I just think it's a deeper conclusion because it doesn't say most people wanted to go to Lake Cumberland. 8 people. Well, it does say people wanted to go to Lake Cumberland, but it doesn't say in words. Most people wanted to go to Lake Cumberland. So
I don't think that's a deep conclusion because, I mean, if you just look at the graph and just kind of say Lake Cumberland is the most liked lake out of the list of lakes. That's a conclusion I can make, right when I look at the graph, I could make that conclusion. So I would say it's a more surface conclusion.
Because it's something quick that you can see from the graph. What does the couple sentences say there on the top from the graph, Ben?
It said Mrs. Mason asked the students in her class which lake in Kentucky he or she would like to visit on vacation. Her results are shown in the following pictograph.
So it says it's not that 8 people visited Lake Cumberland, it's
Yeah, 8 people want to go to Lake Cumberland.
so 8 people would want to go to Lake Cumberland, okay?
So do you still think that's maybe a deeper conclusion?
Yeah, I do. Still.
Well, you put it down on what you think, Macy, and you put it down, Ben, what you think. And then you can share that with the class since we're all looking at the same graph.